Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going out and I decided to do my makeup to show you how I do my makeup when I just want a natural beat but nothing too serious, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. First thing I have here is my primer. I have a very oily skin, so I use the Becca primer and I really like it. I'll then set the primer with a translucent powder. The names of all the things I'll use will be in the description box, so I apologize if I forget to say a name or something. But I like setting my primer because, like I said, I'm very oily and I learned that from Jackie, and I love this tip because it keeps me matte all the time. So now I am putting on my foundation with a flat kabuki brush, and I use about 3 pumps and I just blend that everywhere. I start from one side and I blend the other side, then my forehead, then to my chin and my neck. As you can tell, my neck is darker than my face and chest, but I like to match my face to my chest, and I like that. The next thing I do is add concealer, and I just go under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I first start to blend with a flat foundation brush. I find it that way a lot of my products are staying on my face rather than on the sponge. After the brush, I will then go with a Real Technique sponge. Now I'm using a lighter concealer because although this is a natural look, I still want a bright under eye because that's how I like it. And now I'll blend this up to my lid and using the Real Technique sponge and just try to blend the harsh lines. I like a very bright under eye even when I do a natural look. Now I'm using my translucent powder in Chestnut, same from Benign, and I'm gonna use that to set all my concealers in place. I really like this powder. At first I was worried that it might be too orange, but I think it's like perfect for my skin tone. I'm just blending my smile lines. So now I'm using banana powder. Like I said, I like a very bright under eye, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and use a brush and tap that under my eyes to give me that brightening effect I want. I know for some people this might be a lot. You can't stop. Yeah, but I'm extra, so I like this. So now I'm just gonna take a clean brush and just blend the foundation and concealer on my lid. I'm not gonna use a base. I'm just gonna go ahead with eyeshadows. So with eyeshadows, I'm not a pro or anything, so I just pick a color I'm feeling and I just go with it. I was going for a monotone like look and just picked 2 colors that were similar, one in my crease area and one in my lid, and that's what I ended up doing. And now I just take a clean brush and try to blend the edges and blend the eyeshadows into each other, and that's that. So now I'm about to contour. I'm gonna use the benign contour and the brush. Actually, I don't know what contour does or like the purpose, but I know people do it and I just do it, and I don't even know if I'm placing it in the right spot. I just do it. And now I'm contouring my nose. I actually like it on my nose. I feel like it does something. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes. I used hair glue. I know, awful, horrible, but yeah, I did. I'm sorry. And because I'm going for a natural look, I use a very natural glue. So now I'm just setting the rest of my face with my face powder. And now I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush to blend everything together. Now I'm using this blush brush to apply blush. I think the blush are from Black Radiance, and they're just a very natural colors. And now I'm putting on my highlight. MAC Gold Deposit is my go-to natural highlight. Now setting my face. I think I messed up here because it messed up my lashes. I don't know if you could tell, but I could tell. You probably can too. Now lining my lips with a brown liner. Yeah, the setting spray messed up my lash glue and it started lifting. Sorry about that. I'm putting on this brown lipstick, and I'll be topping that off with my NYX lip gloss. And that is the finished look. So this is my finished look. I really like this. This is what I'll wear if I'm just going out with my friends to grab lunch and not do too much. I think it's really nice. I went ahead and used my NYX butter gloss in Ginger Snap and a brown lip liner, and I really like how it looks. So what do you guys think? Wig is from my hair braid wig store on Instagram, OMOGESTORE. You can check it out if you're interested. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.